Hello, hi everyone again. I'm going to record this video to walk you through how to enter results in the system. So you are going to be working with two main files, and this video is specifically for Peacock and Team. So the two files you are going to work with are one, the presidential results March 10 Northwest, and the list of polling centers. So I'm going to open this PDF file. And when I open this PDF file, this is what you will see. It's 96 pages long, and it has results that have been reported so far for Northwest. So this is just an example that I gave you here. So this number 8001 is the polling center. This is the polling center code. And for this polling center, there were 495 votes. The number 189 is the ward in which this polling center is located. The number 57 is the constituency number in which this polling station is located. And Cambia here is just the district. So this result is for Cambia district, constituency 57, ward 189, polling center 8001. These are the candidates, and these results are the summary for all the polling stations inside the polling center 8001. So this is the summary for all the polling stations inside the polling center 8001. So if you go down next, you will see the same thing. This is another polling center 8003, and this is the result for all of the polling stations inside that polling center that we have so far. If you scroll next, the same thing, you will continue to see this. So I just gave you these examples and highlight, but after you go down the document a little bit more, you will find out that I did not highlight them. But just remember that this is always the center code, the polling center code. You will need this to enter the result. Now, the second file I showed you here is the list of polling centers that we have in the system. So let me pull that down. This is the list of polling centers from LAM-TECH. Okay, so I'm going to unfilter this. So this list is already filtered, as you can see it. This is a list of polling centers. So while you are entering the result, let's say for example for polling center 10237, you look in our system and you cannot find this polling center, it means you need to add the polling center. In order for you to add this polling center, you have to have the details about this polling center. So copy this polling center information and come here under polling center ID, under polling center ID, filter, and then find that polling center. Now, when you find this polling center, you will notice that this polling center have 3 polling stations, right? This is the name of the center. This is the center ID. This is the ward number. This is the constituency number, and this center is in Port Loko. Now, the count here is the number of registered voters for each polling station. And if you add all of these together, you will get the total number of registered voters for the polling center NA Kotbare Masimira. So this information is important. I will show you how to use this later on. But this is purely to show you the two documents that you are going to work with so you understand how to work with them. So now that you know the document, you're going to have to log in to use the system. So to log in again, you click on Get Involved and you click on Login. From here, you can enter your username and then you enter your password. And you press Enter. That takes you into the system. And once you press Enter and you get in successfully, next you press Manage and then you press Content. From Content screen, next you press Result. This is the screen where you'll be doing most of your work. Okay, so I'm going to pause on this screen. I'm going to assume that you don't remember your password and you are unable to log in. So if you don't remember your password and you are unable to log in, if you want to log in, you have to click on Get Involved and you click on Login again. And this time you click on Reset Your Password. When you click on Reset Your Password, here you can enter your username, or you can enter the email address that is associated with your account. When you do this and you press submit, the system is going to send an email to you with a one-time login. Once the system sends that email to you with a one-time login, check your email and then come back and try to log in. So I am already logged in here, so I'm using another screen. So I'm going to log into my email here. As you can see, I just logged into my email, and when I log into my email, you can see that I received this email from the platform, replacement login. It will always look like this. So I open that, and this will give me a one-time login. So if I click on this one-time login, it will automatically log me into the platform, and then I'll click login here. When I do that, it will take me back to this form where I can then create a new password. So here I can create a new password. And now that I've created my new password, I click save and I'm done. So I can go back to manage and go back now to content and then click again result content. And this is where I will start to work. So I'll pause here and I'll start another video to actually show you how to enter the result.